Welcome to AER Int channel and welcome back to Surfacing course. In the previous lecture, we show how we can use the guide curves. With the guide curves, we can guide the sketch profiles from the outside. So on the outside of the surface, we have sketch profiles, and we can define the shape of the surface from outside. But also, we have an option that we can guide the profiles from the inside. To do that, we have to use Centerline Parameter. So here we have two profiles, this one, and here we have one guide curves. And now we're gonna show the difference. We're gonna guide when we guide our profile with guide curve and when we guide our profile with Centerline parameters. So let's go to Surfaces and love that surface. So for profile, we're gonna choose this profile and this profile here. And now we have something like this, as we see. Here, let's choose a guide curve. Let's click here. Now let's choose this guide curve. Now if we look at this guide curve, now we can see we have a narrow cross-section here. And here we have some broader cross-section as well as here. And this is how we can guide our profiles from the outside. We can also guide our profile from the inside by using Centerline parameters. So we have here Centerline parameters. Let's click here. Let's open this. And here we have to choose our centerline. So we're gonna choose this path because this path goes from the center of this profile on this line to the center line of this profile here, as we see. And this is our center line. So first, let's delete this guide curve. Right click and delete. And let's click here, center line. Let's choose this one. And now we see that we don't have a narrow cross-section in the middle. So we now guide our profile from the inside and this gave us better result. So sometimes when we have some defected surface and we have some guide curves that doesn't give us results that satisfy us, we can try with Centerline. And Centerline in this case gives us the better results. So we can see it all across sections are pretty much the same. If we go here, we have show sections. And here we can see how our sections looks like. And they are pretty much the same. So we got a better result with Centerline. And the next thing we are gonna show is how to create a closed lofted. So let's right click here and let's delete this. And now here we have a first profile, second profile, and third profile. And now we want to connect all those profiles here and close this surface. We have the first profile, second profile, and third profile. And we want to create a surface that will go to all those three profiles. And we want that this surface will be closed. So we have one profile, second profile. And now let's here select third profile. So now we got something like this. So we have some twist here. We can move this connector to this one. Like this. Now it looks better. And now we want to close this. Now if we click here, we can't close. So this is not possible. So let's delete this clear selections. Let's go with this one. This one. Let's move this connector to this edge here. This vertex here. And let's choose this one. And to close this, let's go down here. And here we have some option. Closed loft. Let's click here. And let's click OK. And now we show how we can close our loft. So in this lecture we showed how we can guide our sketch profiles. We can guide them with guide curves. And guide curves guide the sketch profiles from the outside. And we can guide them with Centerline. And Centerline guides the profile from the inside. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.